So after we've created our Facebook page, we need to find a post or an article or something of value that really defines our page. If we don't have one, we can create one. And after we create one, what we can do with that post is we can pin it to the top of our page. So when people click on our page, that will be one of the first things that pops up. So to do that, in order to create a new one, what we can do is write a post. And I've already written one out just a minute beforehand, so I didn't have to waste time trying to create it. Gonna paste it here. It says, need help finding a home? With over 8 years of experience as a residential realtor in the Roanoke-Salem area, numerous designations, and over 50 houses sold, I can help you find your dream home. Send us a message today. It's very simple, very clean, very straightforward, and it defines what I do and what my page is here for. Alright, so if I want to check in, I can choose again to check in at Salem, Virginia. I could add a photo or video if I wanted to, but I just want to keep it a clean, very direct post. I'm going to let the other pictures and video on my page speak for themselves. So I'm going to keep it very clean, very short. I'm going to publish it here. And we're not going to do that right now. Alright, so now that we have our post right here, what we can do is we can pin it to the top. It's already at the top, but as we post more content and more information, this post right here will slowly sink down. So to keep it at the top, we can go to the upper right hand corner over here, click that, and press pin to top of page. And once we do that, this post will now be always at the top of our Facebook page, to where when people click on it, they will see one of these key posts that help define what our page does and why we have it here. So again, there's a whole lot you can do on Facebook and a whole lot that you can do with posts, but having a pinned post that defines what you do and how you do it is very helpful in creating a professional, clean page.